This is a quick tip on how to make text boxes auto-expand. So you might have experienced this issue where you have the type tool and you create a text box like this. Then you start typing in the text box. And when the text exceeds the text box, we will simply get this red plus sign right here. And then we have to expand the text box to keep typing inside the text box. This is very annoying and tedious, so let me show you how to fix this. So let's delete this text box. And the fix is actually really simple and you will feel stupid after watching this. So what you want to do is simply select the type tool, and instead of creating a text box like this by dragging the mouse, we will simply just click one time at the canvas and then we will start typing. And this way the text box will auto-expand because you haven't defined any borders. Even if you click away and return again, it will still auto-expand. Now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.